Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a cute princess. Let's start drawing. I'll start with her face and her 2 ears. Then I draw her earrings. Then I draw her 2 pretty eyes with eyelashes. Nose, smiling mouth. Her crown. I draw some gems on her crown. And her hair. I draw her neck. A necklace. She is wearing a beautiful dress. Her arms. I draw a beautiful bouquet of flowers. Finally, I draw hearts around her. Let's color now. Cream for skin. Red, yellow. Orange. Fuchsia. Purple. Pink. Red. Orange. Yellow. Blue. Purple. Pink. Fuchsia. Orange. Light green. Mint green. Red. Orange. Yellow. Green. Blue. Pink. Purple. Great job, my little artists! You are doing amazing. I love drawing and coloring. Do you love drawing too? See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.